starting a hosting business sounds complicated, right? You're probably thinking you need servers, coding skills, or thousands of dollars to get started. But what if I told you you can start your own hosting service today, even as a beginner, without buying servers, without technical headaches, and without monthly fees? Hundreds of people are quietly doing this right now, making anywhere from a few $100 a month to straight up thousands. Some started part-time while still working their jobs. Some turned it into their full-time thing. And here's what's crazy about it. They're not tech billionaires. They're just regular people. Freelancers, small business owners, people like you and me who saw something and went for it. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to start a profitable hosting service business from scratch, including how people are making recurring income every single month. And at the end, I'll share a tool that makes this entire process ridiculously easy. Before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe to us and turn on the notification bell. So what exactly is a hosting business? Every website in the world needs hosting. Think of hosting like renting a room on the internet where someone can store their website files. Now here's the best part. You don't need to build the servers. You can simply resell hosting under your own brand and keep the profit. This is called reseller hosting, and it's one of the easiest online businesses to start. Why hosting is one of the best online businesses? Hosting is powerful because it's recurring income. Clients pay every month or year. Websites never stop needing hosting. It takes zero technical expertise if you use the right platform. The earning potential is unlimited. Once you get a client, they stay with you for years. And now, thanks to reseller hosting, even beginners can start without managing servers. How reseller hosting works? Simple explanation. Here's how it works. You buy a reseller hosting plan. You create your own hosting packages. You sell them under your own brand name. Your customers get fast, secure hosting. You keep 100% of the money. The hosting provider handles server maintenance, uptime, security, backend management, while you focus on growing the business. Best way to start, using lifetime reseller hosting. Now most reseller hosting providers charge monthly fees, which means if you don't get customers quickly, you're losing money. But that's why many beginners choose HostVerge Reseller Lifetime Hosting. You pay once, and you get hosting resources for life. No monthly fees, no renewal shocks, no stress. This means your profit margin is huge. Your risk is almost zero. You can scale faster because you're not paying monthly costs. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. What you need to start a hosting business. Here's everything you need to get started. 1. A brand name. Choose something simple like Your Name Hosting, Skyhost, PrimeWeb, etc. 2. A domain plus website. This is where people will come to buy hosting. 3. A reseller hosting plan. This is your actual hosting engine. And that's where HostVerge's lifetime hosting comes in. 4. Hosting packages. Create 2 to 3 plans such as Starter, Business, Premium. 5. A support system. Most issues are handled by the hosting provider, but you can also provide basic customer support. How to set up your hosting business step by step. Step 1. Get a reseller hosting plan. Start by grabbing a lifetime reseller hosting plan. This gives you unlimited potential without monthly spending. Step 2. Set up your WHM and cPanel accounts. You'll be able to create hosting accounts, custom packages, user access. No technical knowledge required. It's all point and click. Step 3. Brand your hosting dashboard. Add your logo, your business name, your custom name servers. This makes everything look like your hosting platform, not someone else's. Step 4. Upload your website. Use a simple landing page or a full hosting website template. List your packages clearly. Step 5. Add a payment gateway. You can use PayPal, Stripe, local payment methods. Step 6. Start marketing. Promote your hosting business on Facebook groups, Fiverr, Upwork, WhatsApp, Instagram. Local business owners, web designers. Web developers love buying hosting from small providers because support is personal. How much can you earn? Let's say you sell hosting for $5 per month. If you get 10 clients, $50 per month. 50 clients, $250 per month. 100 clients, $500 per month. 300 clients, $1,500 per month. 500 clients, $2,500 per month. And remember, with a lifetime hosting plan, you don't pay monthly fees, so most of this is pure profit. People who scale hosting businesses often earn $5,000 to $20,000 plus per month. Why HostVerge is ideal for beginners. Here's why beginners prefer HostVerge. Lifetime access. Pay once. Earn forever. WHM plus cPanel included. High-performance SSD hosting. Free SSL. 24/7 server monitoring. No renewals. No monthly bills. Easy for non-techie beginners. It's one of the most affordable ways to start your hosting business without risk. Link is in the description if you want to explore. Final tips for success. To grow faster. Focus on giving fast support. Offer free website migration. Give discounts for yearly plans. Build relationships with local businesses. Offer hosting bundles like Website Plus Hosting. The more value you provide, the faster you grow. And that's how you start a hosting service business from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more online business guides, and check the link in the description to access the HostVerge Lifetime Reseller Hosting Plan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.